Have you ever met someone who talks about big dreams, success, money, a completely different life? They imagine it clearly, they believe they're capable of it, but somehow nothing actually changes. Psychology says this isn't just laziness, there are deeper reasons behind it. One, they confuse thinking with progress. In psychology, imagining success can give the brain a sense of part one, the dangerous illusion. Big dreams feel powerful, they give you a temporary high, a dopamine rush, like you're already becoming someone important. This is called mental simulation satisfaction. Your brain cannot fully differentiate between imagination and reality, so when you imagine success in detail, your brain rewards you as if you've already achieved something, and that's where the problem begins, because now you feel satisfied without doing any work. Part 2. Why they stay stuck. People who dream big but do nothing often say, "I'll start tomorrow. I'm just waiting for the right time. I need to plan everything perfectly." But tomorrow never comes, because deep inside, they are addicted to the feeling of dreaming, not the pain of doing. Real work is uncomfortable. It requires discipline, rejection, consistency, and most people, they don't want that reality. They want the result without facing the process. Part 3. The hidden fear. There's something deeper going on. It's not laziness, it's fear. Fear of failure, fear of being judged, fear of realizing that maybe I'm not as capable as I think. So instead of trying and risking failure, they stay in their comfort zone. Dreaming becomes their escape, because in dreams, you can never fail. Part 4. Social media trap. Today, it's even worse. Social media constantly shows success. Young millionaires, perfect bodies, luxury lifestyles. You consume all of it. And your brain starts building fantasies. But instead of taking action, you scroll more, you compare more, you dream more, and slowly, you lose the ability to act. Part 5. The brutal truth. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Dreaming is easy, doing is rare. Everyone wants to be successful, but very few are willing to suffer for it. The difference between winners and dreamers is simple. Winners take action, even when they don't feel like it. Dreamers wait until they feel ready, and that moment never comes. Part 6. How to break this cycle. If you see yourself in this, then listen carefully. Stop chasing motivation. Start building discipline. Take small actions every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Because success is not built in one big moment. It's built in small, boring, repeated actions. One day, you will wake up and realize you are exactly where you were 5 years ago. Same dreams, same plans, same excuses, or you can make a decision today to stop dreaming and start doing. Because in the end, dreams don't change your life, actions do. If this hit you, comment below. I will take action.